Olga here, and for today's video, let's do energy and guidance tarot reading update this August for Pisces. Okay, this one is for Pisces again. Tingnan natin kung ano ang messages, guidance, advice, warnings, challenges for you this August, Pisces. But before anything else, I would like to say thank you sa mga nag-iiwan ng kanilang energies by liking, leaving your comments sa ating mga videos. Thank you so much. That's so helpful and very sweet. Para malaman ko naman kung saan nakakarating ang aking videos. Leave any comments. Lalo na kung helpful sa iyo ang videos. If you have also any suggestions, that's also welcome. If you are interested for private readings, sa description ng video na ito ay nandun ang ating mga social media. I-message niyo po ako doon. And yeah, let's see. I'm also more active on TikTok accounts ko, kung saan may pa-free readings ko doon. Ayun, see you there. So let's see. Intuitively, ang gaan ng energy, Pisces. So, maaaring gumaan or mas magiging magaan ang energy ng August for you. So yeah, let's check ano meron sa iyo, Pisces, sa August. We got the Empress. Ooh. Self-care, contentment, stardom, I heard, more attention, more gold. For some of you, Pisces, pwedeng mas magpo-focus kayo sa inyong mga pets, or probably naisip nyo bumili, mag-adopt, kumuha ng pets, or there's this a saying called, alam mo yung magpapakain ng pets, yun. And we got the Chariot, Ace of Cups, ooh. Six of Swords, Page of Wands. What else for Pisces? We got okay, kunin ko na lahat. Ace of Wands, the Sun card, Queen of Wands, and Death card, Queen of Pentacles. I heard power move. What else for Pisces? Queen of Swords, the Fool, Ten of Pentacles, oh yeah, Eight of Pentacles, and Ten of Swords. Okay. For Pisces, there's a lot of emotional fulfillment here for you for the month of August. And for some of you here, maaaring mag-focus kayo sa inyong school, or pwedeng bumalik kayo sa studies. Gusto nyo bumalik ng studies, mag-masteral, or mag-add ng another degree, certain certain program para mag-level up ang inyong educational field. For some of you here, pwedeng mas magka-interest kayo sa arts, mas makaka ramdam kayo ng fulfillment, ng emotional release dahil sa discovery niyo sa isang art. Pwedeng mas mag-paint kayo, mas magkakaroon ng interest kung paano mag-paint, kung paano mag-mix and match ng inyong mga outfit. And for some of you here, pwedeng magkaroon din ng clarity dito when it comes to the actions na ginawa mo from past month or maybe nung July or June. Mas magkakaroon na siya ng clarity kung saan talaga ang direction mo when it comes to your career, sa family mo, sa parents, I heard parents, sa parents mo, sa iyong partnership. And for some of you here, although mas magpo-focus ka sa iyong career, sa iyong feminine energy, sa iyong emotions, and I can also see for some of you highlight din dito yung getting married or finalizing the married life or ikakasal ka this August. And pero meron ako nakikita dito, maring magkaroon ng blockages sa iyong mental aspects or mental health. So this reading might be your guide. Do not use this as a final alam mo yung final verdict or parang final check-up mo na yun, sabi ng video, this is what I'm going through sa aking mental health. It's better pa rin to ask for help sa professionals. So, ayun, maaaring kasing meron ako makita dito na mas kahit na meron ka emotional fulfillment, you still feel imbalance here when it comes to your mental or sa iyong mind. Maring magkaroon ka rin ng confusion when it comes to a relationship. The ending of this relationship is hindi siya satisfaction ang nabibigay sa'yo. Parang may gusto ka pang sabihin, not necessarily like reconcile, pero clarity ang gusto mo sa isang relationship. For others of you naman na nasa relationship, maaring mas humiling ka ng clarity or clear communication sa iyong partner or pwedeng vice versa. For some of you here, I can see also a family here na pwedeng nagkaroon ng separation kahit na love na love niyo pa yung isa't isa. For some reason, there's no separation here sa family. Pwedeng alam mo yung iti-take back mo or maring kontakin mo yung person mo. Gusto mo kontakin yung person mo to really make amends, to fix things, to give clarity of the situation here. And for others of you here, meron ako nakikitang projects na pagtutuunan mo ng pansin. Nakatutok ako dito sa ating the Fool cards. Saka hawak niyang this is a flower. Ayun, a flower. So, flower for me, ang simbolo niya is femininity, romance. So, pwedeng mas mag-focus ka sa iyong sarili, loving yourself, like taking care of yourself, and at the same time, for others of you, if bago pa lang yung relationship nyo ng person mo, mas magkakaroon kayo ng magnetic attractions and clarity towards the relationship na gusto mo with this person. And for some of you here, very highlighted dito ang issue ng iyong mental health and tied with your career. So pwedeng sa career mo ngayon, especially if ikaw ay nagtatrabaho or ang career mo ay focus sa communication, pakikipag-usap sa tao, pakikipag-connecta sa iba't ibang tao, either online man or offline yan, pwedeng magkaroon ka ng kagustuhan na mag-career change or mag-change ng path kasi hindi na nga siya nakakabuti para sa iyong mental health din. And for some of you here, pwedeng mas magkaroon pa kayo ng tight bond ng iyong family pagkatapos nyo makaramdam ng ginhawa sa finances, mas mababayaran na yung mga utang, mas lalaki na yung savings for the month of August. And yeah, this is a reading for you, Pisces. I hope makatulong, and of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. See you next video.